In Dopendar, we faced two main challenges. First, looking at architecture as a cultural issue, and second, having two different perspectives from Hamd and Motahareh as clients regarding their dream home. These challenges arose from our perspective on the traditional architecture of Yazd and how it relates to the present, as well as the economic and social conditions that influence the sensibilities of entrepreneurs in fulfilling their tastes and desires. One solution to bridge these two challenges was to take advantage of Hamd and Motahareh's dual mindset. Their perspectives encompass two architectural visions, one oriented towards modern buildings with large openings and green roofs, while the other leaned towards the traditional architecture of Yazd with limited windows facing the outside. Our solution was to create a space that could respond to both challenges by placing the dual concept at the border of the two diagrams, introvert and domino, in the form of a duplex. This design approximates the pattern of the central courtyard, while trying to eliminate introversion by creating a cantilever-like gap in the north and an open and closed woven envelope in the south. The northern entrance gap is designed as a transition between the entrance and corridor elements in traditional Yazd houses, creating a dialogue between the inside and outside areas. The central courtyard, called the Orange Courtyard by the clients based on their experience, functions as a semi-public space, similar to the outer courtyards in traditional Yazd houses. On the first floor, the inner courtyard, called the Blue Courtyard, functions as a more private area, located at a higher level than the central courtyard, changing the physical boundary between the two with a vertical openness that provides greater privacy. The Blue Courtyard also interacts with the central courtyard through a suspended passageway, creating a limited visual dialogue and connecting it with the living room and small kitchen on the first floor. The woven envelope here doubles as a privacy screen for the upper floor and a shade for the ground floor. When this envelope is open, it serves as a shade, and when closed, it provides a resting space for the inner area. This project shows how the introverted pattern of the two courtyards, despite its critical attitude towards the traditional typology, becomes a meeting point between two different perspectives. Opposing intellectual assumptions complement each other, creating understanding and harmony in design.